With this session, we are going to discuss about periodic table introduction. What is periodic table? Periodic table is the arrangement of chemical elements in a tabular manner. Means we are arranging all the chemical elements which till now is discovered in a table form. While we are arranging all chemical elements in a table form, we have to follow some patterns. Like while we are going to arrange the chemical elements and we'll see in the periodic table, the order of the chemical elements is based on the increasing in their atomic number, which is also coincide with the increase in their atomic mass. While we see the periodic table, we'll see some rows and the columns. Means we'll be moving left to right in the way of row. This consider as the periods of the periodic table. And while we are moving top to bottom, is considered in the way of column, this kind of the top to bottom rows is considered as groups. These chemical elements, while arranged in the order of increasing pattern of the atomic number, we also consider the complete relation of chemical properties between the elements and also the electronic configuration of such elements. Like while we're going to the periods way, so if you see that periodic table at the sides of the periods, you'll see that all the metals are mentioned at the left side of the periodic table and all the non-metals are mentioned at right side of the periodic table. And when you are moving along to the columns in groups way, in one group, whatever number of the elements are present, they have a similar chemical behavior. Means the arrangement of the elements in the periodic table, they have some kind of the manner in which all the elements should be arranged in the basis of the increasing order of atomic number and also the coincide with the increasing order of their atomic mass. While we are moving along to the periods, we'll see that all metals are considered as the left side and all the non-metals are considered the right side. And if you consider the one group in which how many number of the elements are present, they have a similar chemical behavior. Like you can see in this periodic table, this is a representation of the periodic table in which you can see that vertical lines is considered as groups and the horizontal one is considered as periods. The total 7 periods are there in periodic table and total 18 groups are there in periodic table, in which you can see when you see along to the periods the complete left hand side till this one green color, all the metal elements are present, they are metallic in nature, and here all this at the right side they are non-metallic in nature. When we move along to the group, how many number of the elements present in a one group, they have a similar chemical behavior. Now show the similar chemical property along to each other. So this is some kind of the pattern we follow. This completely according to the periodic table when it's formed is based on a sum principle in which all elements are arranged in a increasing order of atomic number and also coincide with the atomic mass. And all the metals are arranged at the left side, all the non-metals are arranged at the right side. And in one group, the elements which arrange in one group, they have a similar chemical behavior. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.